She went into the hospital complaining of stomach pain. Days later, she was brain dead. Tonight, the family of Alice Bauer is demanding answers, and they've turned to the courts for relief.
A local mother of 4 went in for a routine medical procedure last April. 3 days later, she was dead. Tonight, her family is blaming a local medical center for her death.
The only recourse this family has is to sue the hospital for money, because nothing can be done to bring this woman back.
"Don't be taken advantage of" is more than a slogan to Mr. Ellin. It is the commitment and promise he makes to all his clients.
Attorney David Ellin has filed a lawsuit against Holy Cross Hospital based on negligence.
My client was essentially given poison. The irony of all ironies is that you have a Holy Cross Hospital telling this woman that she needs to have an abortion because of their mistake. The person who the police surrounded is dead, number one, and then secondly, my client is in fear of his life and needs this money for his survival. It's negligence compounded upon negligence is the best way to describe it.
It is the commitment and promise he makes to all his clients.
The excuse that was given to my client was that the nurse was at the end of her shift and that she was tired and she just wanted to get out of the hospital. But that's no excuse when you're dealing with someone's life.
I'm Bill Walters.
I'm Mary Beth Marsden. A Baltimore man filed a lawsuit today seeking $75 million in damages after a fight that started in a bar.
But Berkeley's lawyer says money alone isn't the point.
I think this is going to send a message to bars and restaurants across the state of Maryland that they need to really check people's IDs before they allow them in the bars.
His unwavering focus, dedication, and experience is what sets David Ellin apart from many other attorneys.
This is something that attaches to someone's finger. It measures the amount of oxygen in their blood. That was not done. They did not provide oxygen to this woman while she was on this medication, and they did not properly monitor her vital statistics.
David Ellin, at 23, was one of the youngest individuals ever to become an attorney in the state of Maryland.
Today, a $52.3 million lawsuit was filed.
As a former assistant state's attorney, David tried dozens of criminal jury trials and served in the felony narcotics unit in Baltimore City.
We're hoping that this lawsuit will do is prompt landlords who are out there that instead of trying to save a few bucks, that they might want to try to save a few lives.
Since opening his own practice, Mr. Ellin has recovered millions of dollars through settlements and awards for his clients.
If these are the people we're supposed to call if we need help, my God, my enemies would have been nicer.
Accusations of a cover-up by Maryland State Police in the death of a local man.
11 News reveals exclusive details.
The report is very clear that had the trooper been going the speed limit, this accident would not have happened.
Ellin also says the report shows the trooper was off duty and heading to the state police barracks, not to a burglary. The family is filing a $15.81 million wrongful death suit.
Maryland State Police declined on-camera interviews about the decision not to charge Trooper Durr. They also aren't talking about the Rakes family's pending $15 million lawsuit. Rake's mother personally filed vehicular homicide charges against Trooper Durr. Carroll County Court Commissioners referred them to prosecutors. It's up to them to decide whether they'll pursue charges.
The reason that she did that is that the Carroll County State's Attorney's Office has failed to do so on their own. So it's one of these instances where Miss Blizzard had to take the law into her own hands.
I just want them to tell the truth. Who do they answer to? Have we created such a monster?
David Ellin has participated in major cases in Maryland, Pennsylvania, Virginia, North Carolina, Florida, and the District of Columbia, serving as co-counsel in one of the largest medical malpractice cases to date in the state of Maryland.
This is attorney David Ellin. When an accident occurs, there's enough chaos and confusion. Insurance companies know this and will try to take advantage of it. Don't be taken advantage of.